Hi friends, today we will discuss on mental health issues. Mental health is very important. As we care for physical health, we must care for our mental health also. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel and act. It also helps to determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, maybe childhood or maybe late adulthood. For details, you may see cdc.gov. Poor mental health and mental illness are not the same. One must know. A person can experience poor mental health and may not be diagnosed with mental illness. Mental and physical health are equally important, as I have told, and those are components of overall health. For example, depression increases the risk of many physical health problems like diabetes, heart disease. Similarly, the presence of chronic conditions can increase the risk of mental illness. So, each one fits the other. A person's mental health can change over time depending on many factors. Mental illnesses are among the most common health conditions in many countries. People with severe mental health conditions die prematurely, as we find in WHO.int and World Health Organization. As much as 2 decades early, people with severe mental health conditions die prematurely as much as 2 decades early due to preventable physical conditions. See, this could have been prevented. This can be prevented if proper actions are taken, if proper care is taken. There is no single cause for mental illness. A number of factors can contribute to risks for mental illness. For example, early adverse life experiences such as trauma or a history of abuse, child abuse, sexual assault. Experiences relate to other outgoing medical conditions such as cancer or diabetes. Biological factors or chemical imbalances in the brain. Use of alcohol or drugs. Abuse of alcohol are very common. Having feelings of loneliness or isolation. All these things need to be taken care. Good mental health is characterized by a person's ability to fulfill a number of key functions. Person does not have any mental illness does not mean that he or she has a good mental health. Good mental health is characterized by a person's ability to fulfill a number of key factors, key functions and activities. For example, ability to learn, ability to feel, ability to express and manage a range of positive and negative emotions, ability to form and maintain good relationships, ability to cope with and manage changes, face challenges and uncertainty. So know how to look after your mental health. It does not cost too much of money or time. Anyone can follow. Anyone can follow the suggestions to keep good mental health. First thing, that share your feelings with others. Let others know if you have any problem. They can help you. Stay active, stay physically active, do some exercises. Eat well. Good food makes you happy. Good food makes you healthy. It takes care of your mental wellness. Your brain needs a mix of nutrients. A diet that is good for physical health is also good for mental health, normally. So it takes care. This diet, this total good nutritious elements, they feed not only physical health but also mental health. Drink sensibly, don't take too much of drinks. Keep in touch with family or friends. They can support you in case of any time, in case of any danger or in case of any help, they can help you. When you require any help, they will always come forward to help you. Keep the lines of communication open. Ask for help as and when required. None of us is Superman. We need help from each other. Take a break. Go outdoor. A change of scene or a change of pace, a change of place is very important. See the greeneries. Change your mind. It could be a 5 minutes walk in the nature. Or maybe more. Do something you are good at. Whatever you love to do, do that thing. Do whatever you love. Love whatever you do. Accept who you are. Do not compare yourself with others. Care for others. Give more. More you give, more you will get. Make others happy. It will boomerang. You will feel happiness and peace. Live a good life. Thank you.